Welcome to Dev's Academy. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. This is Dev's Academy. It is the second part of the formula that was given previous day. Easily solved numericals on electrical, that is from physics. It is for class 10. You can easily solve all electrical problems, numerical problems through this solution, through this formula. You can do. The last part will be on the next day. Now see, relationship between EMF. EMF means electromotive force, which is known as epsilon. Terminal voltage capital V and internal resistance R. It is of the battery or the mains. When a cell of EMF epsilon, this is epsilon, and terminal resistance R be used to send current in an external resistance R. This is external resistance R connected across the cell as shown in the adjacent figure. Total resistance of the circuit R plus R, capital R plus small r. This is capital R and this is small r. Capital R is the outside resistance and small r is the internal resistance of the cell. Current drawn from the cell I equal to EMF of the cell by total resistance. That is epsilon by R plus capital R plus small r. And EMF of cell epsilon equal to I into capital R plus small r. And terminal voltage of the cell is V equal to IR. V equal to IR. I is the current and R is the resistance. IR. And voltage drop of the cell V equal to IR. The voltage drop due to internal resistance V equal to, this is small v. This is small v. Follow the formulae that are used here. V equal to capital IR. This is number 3. From 1 to 3, epsilon equal to capital V plus small v, or small v equal to epsilon minus v. And from 2 and 3, internal resistance small r of the cell equal to small v by I. That is epsilon minus v by I equal to epsilon minus v by I equal to v by r. That is epsilon minus v epsilon by v minus 1 into r. Now combination of resistance. There are two types of combination. One is in series and the other is in parallel. When the resistance R1, R2, R3 and so on it may be are combined in a series, the total resistance, that is the equivalent resistance RS. RS means resistance in series equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here is one illustration. You can follow this. By following this example, you can solve any of your problem. All these are only to help you for your calculation in electricity, physics. You must follow this. Next, if the combination of the resistance are in parallel, the figure is adjacent. There is the parallel combination in reciprocal of the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance, that is Rp. Rp means resistance in parallel is equal to that of the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. That is 1 by Rp. Rp means resistance, equivalent resistance in parallel equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. There is also one illustration for you. You can follow that to calculate your problem. There is also one example. Next, measurement of electrical energy. How you will measure electrical energy? When, according to that figure, adjacent figure, when current flowing through resistance R for time t and a potential difference is connected across its end, the amount of charge due to flow of current I is the flow of current, charge pass T equal to I into T is the time. Now by definition of potential difference PD, work W needs to move a charge Q through potential difference. V is the potential difference, is W equal to Q into V, but we know that Q equal to I into T and W equal to V by I T. This is I, not by, this is I, V I T. This is I, and the W is electrical energy supplied by the source, that is battery, it may be battery or main, and I is the current for T time, which will be in second in the conductor under a potential difference V. This will continue till it is finished. Follow us to help you. That's all today.